Hi everyone, get ready for expert tips, practice questions, and clear explanations, all designed to make your NCLEX journey smooth and stress-free. Subscribe now and let's make NCLEX success easy together. 11th. Which fluid shift is expected during the administration of a hypotonic IV solution like 0.45% sodium chloride? A. Fluid moves from cells to extracellular space. B. Fluid moves from extracellular space into cells. C. No movement of fluid occurs. D. Fluid shifts equally in both directions. Answer: B. Fluid moves from extracellular space into cells. Rationale: hypotonic solutions cause water to move into cells, potentially leading to cellular swelling. 12th. Which symptom is most characteristic of hyponatremia? A. Extreme thirst. B. Lethargy and confusion. C. Fever and flushed skin. D. Decreased urine output. Answer: B. Lethargy and confusion. Rationale: low sodium affects neurologic function, leading to confusion, lethargy, and potentially seizures. 13. The nurse is caring for a client with a potassium level of 6.5 milliequivalents per liter. Which is the priority intervention? A. Start potassium infusion. B. Place the client on a cardiac monitor. Commander: administer 4 potassium chloride. D. Encourage potassium-rich foods. Answer: B. Place the client on a cardiac monitor. Rationale: hyperkalemia affects cardiac conduction. Monitoring the ECG is critical. 14. Which condition commonly causes hyperkalemia? A. Vomiting. B. Diarrhea. C. Renal failure. D. Diuretic therapy. Answer: C. Renal failure. Rationale: the kidneys excrete potassium. Failure results in potassium accumulation. 15. The client has a serum calcium level of 7.0 milligrams per deciliter. What is the most appropriate nursing intervention? A. Encourage weight-bearing activity. B. Monitor for tetany. C. Administer potassium supplements. D. Restrict fluid intake. Answer: B. Monitor for tetany. Rationale: hypocalcemia causes neuromuscular excitability and tetany. Monitor closely. 16. What findings should the nurse expect in a client with fluid volume excess? A. Dry mucous membranes. B. Flat neck veins. C. Increased blood pressure. D. Increased hematocrit. Answer: C. Increased blood pressure. Rationale: excess fluid increases blood volume, leading to elevated blood pressure. 17. Which of the following may cause hypomagnesemia? A. Chronic alcoholism. B. Hyperparathyroidism. C. Excessive dairy intake. D. Renal failure. Answer: A. Chronic alcoholism. Rationale: alcoholism impairs magnesium absorption and increases excretion. 18. A nurse is reviewing labs: sodium 130, potassium 4.0, magnesium 2.0, calcium 9.0. Which is the priority finding? A. Elevated magnesium. B. Low sodium. C. Normal potassium. D. Normal calcium. Answer: B. Low sodium. Rationale: sodium of 130 milliequivalents per liter indicates hyponatremia, which can lead to neurological issues. 19. What is a classic sign of fluid volume deficit? A. Bounding pulse. B. Jugular vein distension. C. Orthostatic hypotension. D. Peripheral edema. Answer: C. Orthostatic hypotension. Rationale: dehydration reduces circulating volume, causing drops in blood pressure when standing. 20. A client has a serum potassium of 2.8 milliequivalents per liter. What food should the nurse recommend? A. Cheese. B. Apples. C. Bananas. D. Lettuce. Answer: C. Bananas. Rationale: bananas are rich in potassium and help correct hypokalemia. Let's know how many questions you answered correctly by dropping it in the comment section below. If you enjoy this, hit subscribe and like. It helps us make more videos like this for you. We love you.